Innovative consumer product engineers turn to design and simulation solutions from SOLIDWORKS and 3D ExperienceWorks to rapidly create and validate complex cutting-edge products. These tools help you deliver innovative products faster as you and your team can easily test, share, and validate the most complex problems, and reduce costs with early simulation that is more realistic with less physical prototyping and product failures. This will give you the ability to continuously improve your products and meet consumers' rising expectations. But to stand out from competition, you need to innovate consistently. How do you enable that change? This is possible with scalable, realistic, and collaborative 3D modeling and simulation technology on the cloud. The right solution can help you accelerate innovation by moving from time-consuming, test-to-failure physical prototypes and disconnected applications to 3D digital models and testing, reducing the need for physical prototyping and connecting people, data, and processes. Your engineers will save time running their simulations on high-performance cloud computing, enabling real-time collaboration while maintaining SOLIDWORKS associativity and reducing hardware and IT investments. With SOLIDWORKS and 3D ExperienceWorks, designers and engineers can run rapid trade-off studies with performance testing and simulation capabilities. You can solve any type of physics using the same unified cloud-based environment, same data model and same licensing model, structural, durability, fluids, plastics, or electromagnetics analysis. By leveraging 3D ExperienceWorks simulation, you can save time and money by reducing the number of physical prototypes, improve your customer satisfaction and your brand reputations with better product performance and higher quality, accelerate design decisions by increasing team collaboration and data traceability, save designers and engineers time by accessing high-performance computing resources on the cloud, run rapid-fire trade-off studies with SOLIDWORKS associativity. Simulate for success, accelerate innovation, and experience the cutting edge with SOLIDWORKS and 3D ExperienceWorks simulation.